In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear a filter in Microsoft Project. If you've ever opened your project and noticed that some tasks seem to be missing, there's a good chance a filter is turned on. Filters are great for focusing on specific tasks, but when you're ready to see everything again, you'll want to remove them quickly and confidently. Let's walk through the simplest ways to bring all your tasks back into view. First, the most common method is to turn off an active filter from the ribbon. Look to the top of the screen and go to the View tab. In the Data group, you'll find the Filter dropdown. Click it and then choose No Filter from the list. This immediately removes whatever filter was applied and redisplays all tasks or rows in your current view. A quick tip: if the Filter dropdown shows a specific filter name, that's your sign a filter is active. Selecting No Filter clears it, so you're looking at the full project again. Next, if you were using autofilters, the small arrows that appear in column headers, you can clear those directly from the column itself. Click the arrow in the header of the column that's filtered, then choose the option that clears the filter for that field. The wording may vary slightly depending on your version, but it will say something like, "Clear filter from this field." You'll know a column is filtered if the arrow icon looks different or shows a funnel indicator. If more than one column was filtered, simply clear each one from its own drop-down. This is especially helpful when you're narrowing down tasks by multiple fields, like status or resource names. There's also a fast shortcut when you need everything visible right away. Press the F3 key on your keyboard. This removes all filters, both standard filters from the ribbon and auto filters from column headers, in the view you're currently working in. It's a reliable way to reset the display and confirm you're seeing the complete list of tasks again. After clearing, take a moment to confirm your timeline and task count look as expected. Summary tasks, milestones, and any previously hidden rows should be back. If you rely on filters often, consider getting into the habit of checking the filter dropdown or glancing at column headers to spot active filters quickly. That's it. 3 straightforward ways to clear filters in Microsoft Project so you can get back to the full picture of your plan.